Due to the explicit content, viewer discretion is advised.
Hello everybody, and welcome to World of Warships. This was suggested by my friend John, a good subscriber and friend of mine. I was streaming this, and he said he'd like to see this on the channel, so guess I'm gonna do a little bit of World of Warships. I've played a couple battles so far. I played 2 during the stream, and I've played like 2 more out of my own time, so I've only played 2 battles. But it's a very, 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 very fun game. And so let's go to a battle. And then after this, I'm going to play a little bit of War Thunder with Bradley. Domination, my. Start this battle. There we are. We're just sitting in the old waters. I don't know what ship we're using, but this is the only ship I have, and plus another one. But I'm not going to use them. Let's do this. Let's do this. Here we go. Full throttle. Here we go. Guns ready. Guns at the ready. My mouse is sucking hardcore right now. Alright. Here we go. We gotta find some people. We gotta go find the enemies. What was that button? It was shift. Okay. I gotta remember that button. Shift. Shift, an important button. So if I hear my mouse and stuff like that, my mic just picks up everything. Two enemies over there, it looks like. I'm ready. Bring it. Very low visibility on the side. But this game actually looks pretty amazing. I can't lie. For a free game, it is free. It's pretty amazing. Alright, we have sighted battleships. Firing on them. See if we get any hits. No hits, but we were close. Firing again. We are hit. We have a hit. We're being hit from the other side here. Firing. No hit. Firing. No hits. He's got the cannon to protect him. Firing. Can we get a hit? No hit. Firing. We have a hit. And no hit. Firing. We have a hit. No hit. We are very, very close. No hit. We're not too bad on damage, but he is hit. He's getting hit again. We're smoking him. Oh, we definitely hit him there. Oh! He got some good hits. We got some good hits on there. Firing again. Oh, we're almost going on C there. My ship is about half dead. I never saw him. I need my rear guns to aim. Come on now. We hit him. We got some damage on him. Reload guns.
The enemy team is taking the lead.
Son of a bitch. Alright. Looks like they're taking the lead. For how long though? We're taking him out. We're gonna at least try to. Come on, let's get some more hits on him before he goes back to the cover. We didn't get many hits, but we did get him. We did hit him a few times. Alright, we need to start going port. We're getting shot at by another ship here behind us. We hit him. He's hit. Hit again. Come on. We can get them. Oh, he's getting so hit. He's getting wrecked. He's getting wrecked. He's on fire. Come on, we got him. He's on fire. Come on. We can get him. This is it. Come on. One more hit. That's all we need. And he's wrecked. Come on. We can get him. Wrecked, son.
We've destroyed an enemy cruiser.
Yes, wrecked, son. Alright, now we gotta aim for him. This is gonna be a close hit. Firing. We have a fire. Put it out. We do have hits. Confirming hit. Fire's out.
Problem solved, sir.
No hit. Come on. No hits. Come on, we have to get him. Oh. What happened? Yeah, we won. Yes. Alrighty, well, that's World of Warships for you. I gotta go back to port here. I can't record too long, so I gotta get a game with Brad. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. And, like if you want to see more. Bye-bye.